Good afternoon, everyone. This bill will be one of your reviewers in quarter four, module five, composing a research report on a relevant social issue. So parts or components of a research paper or report. Number one, what section of a research paper contains the title, the author's name, and institutional information? Letter A, introduction. B, title page. C, abstract. D, review of related literature. So what do you think is your answer? Letter B, title page. Number two, which section provides a brief background of the study and introduces the problem? Letter A, discussion. Letter B, methodology. Letter C, introduction. Letter D, reference page. Answer is introduction. Letter C. Number three, what part of research paper contains summaries of previous studies related to the topic? Letter A, review of related literature. Letter B, conclusion. Letter C, methodology. Letter D, results. Answer is letter A, review of related literature. Number four, which of the following is the function of the conceptual framework? Letter A, presenting data analysis results. Letter B, providing a theoretical foundation for the study. Letter C, listening all research sources. Letter D, writing a summary of findings. Letter B, our answer is letter B, providing a theoretical foundation for study. Number five, what section explains the procedures used to conduct the study? Letter A, introduction. Letter B, methodology. Letter C, analysis of data. Letter D, discussion. Our answer is methodology. Letter B. Number six, which part presents the findings gathered from the research? Letter A, title page. Letter B, results or findings. Letter C, review of related literature. Letter D, reference page. Our answer is letter B, results, finding. Number seven, what does the discussion section of a research paper focuses on? Letter A, summarizing all references. Letter B, analyzing the results and their implications. Letter C, providing a list of appendices. Letter D, introducing the problem statement. Our answer is letter B, analyzing the results and their implications. Number eight, in which section do researchers state their final thoughts and restate the finding? Letter A, introduction. Letter B, reference page. Letter C, conclusion. Letter D, review of related literature. Our answers, letter C, conclusion. Number nine, where should a researcher list all the sources used in the study? Letter A, appendices. Letter B, bibliography. Reference page. Letter C, methodology. Letter D, results. Our answer is letter B, bibliography or reference page. Number 10. What is the main purpose of an appendix? Letter A, to introduce the research problem. Letter B, to present data that supports the analysis. Letter C, to explain the research methods. Letter C, to provide a summary of the research. Letter B, to present data that supports the analysis. Number 11, which section compares the research ideas with previous studies? Letter A, review of related literature. Letter B, methodology. Letter C, conceptual framework. Letter D, results. Our answer is letter A, review of related literature. Number 12, what kind of data analysis method is SWOT analysis? Letter A, quantitative. Letter B, qualitative. Letter C, experimental. Letter D, mathematical. Our answer is qualitative. Letter B. Number 13. Which section discusses the importance and contributions of the study? Letter A, conclusion. Letter B, discussion. Letter C, reference page. Letter D, appendices. Letter D, discussion. Number 14. What is included in the title page? Letter A, research objectives. Letter B, research methods. Letter C, research title, author, and institutional details. Letter D, list of references. Our answer is letter C. Research title, author, and institutional. I'm sorry for the spelling. Details. Hmm. Number 15. Which part presents the actual data gathered from the study? Letter A, methodology. Letter B, results findings. Letter C, review of related literature. Letter D, reference page. Our answer is letter B, results and findings. Number 16. What section justifies the methods used in the study? Letter A, introduction. Letter B, methodology. Letter C, appendices. Letter D, conclusion. Our answers, methodology. Letter B. Number 17. Which research format style is commonly used in social sciences? Letter A, Harvard. Letter B, APA. Letter C, Chicago. And letter D, MLA. Our answer is letter B, APA. Yes. Number 18. What is the purpose of a conceptual framework? Letter A, to analyze data. Letter B, to guide the study based on existing concepts. Letter C, to list references. Letter D, to discuss research findings. Our answer is to guide the study based on existing concepts. Letter B. Number 19. Which section explains the limitations and recommendations for future research? Letter A, discussion. Letter B, introduction. Letter C, review of related literature. Letter D, reference page. Letter A. Our answer is letter A, discussion. Number 20. What is included in the bibliography? Letter A, list of survey questions. Letter B, names of the research participants. Letter C, sources used in the research. Letter D, final conclusion. Letter C, sources used in the research. Number 21. Which of the following is commonly used reference format? Letter A, SUT. Letter B, APA. Letter C, quantitative. Letter D, a variable. The answer is APA. 22. What is the main purpose of the introduction? Letter A, to discuss research findings. Letter B, to provide background and state the research problem. Letter C, to present the data gathered. Letter D, to summarize the study. Letter B, to provide background and state the research problem. Number 23. Which section is used to support claims with statistical or empirical evidence? Letter A, results. Letter B, discussion. Letter C, concept or framework. Letter D, bibliography. Letter A, result. Number 24. Which part provides the detailed account of the study's methodology? Letter A, introduction. Letter B, review of related literature. Letter C, methodology. Letter D, appendices. Our answer is methodology. 25. Which section is not always included but can provide additional information? Letter A, introduction. Letter B, appendices. Letter C, methodology. Letter D, results. Our answers? Letter B, appendices. Number 26. What is one function of the discussion section? Letter A, to list references. Letter B, to present the importance of the study. C, to introduce the research problem. Letter D, to provide raw data. Letter B, to present importance of the study. Number 27. Okay, so where are the research hypotheses usually discussed? Introduction, discussion, appendices, bibliography, right? Introduction, answer. Number 28. What is the primary purpose of data analysis? To present statistical computations, to interpret the collected data, to create graphs, to discuss research objectives. Our answers, to interpret the collected data. 29. Which section summarizes the main points and recommendations? Letter A, introduction. Letter B, conclusion. Letter C, results. Letter B, reference page. So our answer is conclusion, letter B. Last number 30. What do you call the final section where researchers reflect on their findings? Letter A, discussion. Letter B, conclusion. Letter C, abstract. Letter D, bibliography. Our answers, letter D, conclusion. All right, good luck everyone for your exam.